Hello guys, how are this is Kashif, and you are watching Forgotten to Fix. Today we will restore an abandoned bike in a BMW S1000RR. In the quiet morning light, a forgotten machine waits in ruin. Fingers trace the broken frame, years of rust and silence. Circling slowly, every dent, every scar tells its story. Chalk marks the wounds where the healing begins. Wire brush bites deep, rust falls like dying leaves. Sparks dance as the grinder hums low. Long clean lines appear, vertical slice. The damaged section releases, pry bars lift with steady strength. Heavy patient effort, the rusted piece falls. Light floods the hidden decay. Golden rays reveal the broken heart inside. Flashlight sweeps the wreckage, a world long forgotten. Scoop by scoop, every shard is carried away. Wire wheel spins, smooth steel wakes beneath, wheelbarrow journeys. Clearing space for rebirth again, and again the frame slowly breathes, measuring every curve. Planting a foundation, fresh steel is cut, fitting. The missing strength, first reinforcement settles. Clamps hold it gently. Tack welds glow, the spine becomes whole. Long seams flow, power returns to the core, grinder blends the welds, perfect smoothness, primer mist settles, guarding what was lost. Damping foam unrolls, silence the road ahead. Under tray material smooths, foundation takes shape, mounts rise, sharper lines begin to form, swing arm pivot lines. Rear strength awakens, foot pegs tap in, control returns, fuel tank lowers gently. Heart of the beast, side panels press on, form starts to sharpen. Upper fairing clicks home, the nose takes aim, wiring threads through, life flows once more. Headlights connect, eyes open wide. Side scoops slide in, vents breathe aggression. Step back, the Supersport awakens, lower belly pan rises, underbody completes, tail cowl secures, rear sharpens to a point. Windscreen presses on, the face is fierce, stripes align. Livery claims its pride, step outside. The body awaits its color, filler spreads smooth, filling every scar. Sanding block glides, contours return to perfection. Primer mist falls evenly. Canvas ready, wet sanding flows. Mirror smoothness emerges, step back and admire. The shape is alive again. Guide coat reveals every secret. Nothing is missed. Final wet sand, flawless beneath the fingertips. Tack cloth and alcohol. The body is pure. The entire machine stands ready, reborn in form. Curtains close gently. The booth becomes its sanctuary. Alpine white swirls in the cup. The color of speed. First pass of base coat. Magic begins, layer after layer. Richness builds. Full base coat complete. The S1000RR glows. Clear coat flows like glass. Depth and protection. Polisher hums softly. The shine awakens. Wax spreads warm, sealing the beauty. Microfiber glides. Every swirl vanishes. The full BMW stands proud. From wreck to glory, engine breathes. Wheels roll into the night. Reborn forever. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for the latest restorations. See you on the next ride. Good day and take care.